everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. It's a very simple recipe we are doing today. I'm doing just coconut cookies. I love coconut, so anything with coconuts, just count me in. So when you feel like just having a bit of coconut biscuit for tea, and then just let me just make this very quick recipe. So let's get started. What I have here, I have some brown sugar. I love using brown sugar because it doesn't give you the lot of sweetness that white sugar have. So that's my brown sugar. Put that in the bowl, and I have my melted butter. Sorry, that's my melted butter. Okay, just stir it. This is very quick and easy recipe. Okay, so I have zest of lemon. It gives you a little bit of freshness that I want. Okay, you just add all the ingredients together. It's very easy to do. Right, so the next bit, let me just the next bit you need to do is to add the flour. Okay, so I have the flour here and I have some baking powder. We just pour that in. So guys, as you can see here, okay, it's supposed to be our biscuit, but it's quite dry, so what you need to do, add a bit. I have 2 tablespoons of milk here. Just add a bit. So guys, this is our cookie batter. Okay, so what I'm going to do with it is to just make it round like that. Okay, and then you dip it into some coconut here and put that on the tray like that. Okay, so I do that for all the butter. Just dip it into the coconut like that. Then do that. Right guys, so this is our cookie. Okay, our coconut cookie. I put some coconut out at the outside of the cookie, so I'm going to put that into the oven for 180 degrees for just between 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and then we can take it out. I can't wait for this. Right guys, so these are my coconut cookies. They are so delicious. You can only smell the aroma in my house now. It smells really good, and it's very easy to do. So please try this recipe and give your girl a thumbs up. It's really delicious. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you'll be notified. This is really lovely, I tell you. You can just taste the aroma of this, and I tell you, oh, look at that, look at that. It's really smelling very nice. Thanks for watching, and may God bless you. Bye.